In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a decal ID in Roblox. So if you want to find the ID number of an image or a decal, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can do this. Now, the first thing is to head over to an internet browser and you need to launch up roblox.com. Now, once you're logged into your Roblox account, click on Create in the top navigation. In the top navigation, click on Store. Now, from here, you can see a bunch of different decals and images that we can choose from. You can also filter these by clicking this button here. So just select an image from here that you want to find the decal ID number of, and then once you've selected a decal, come over to the address bar at the top, and these series of numbers between the forward slashes are the decal ID number. So all you simply need to do is highlight these digits at the top here, right click on them and press copy, or you can just press Ctrl C on your keyboard to copy these, and then just like that we now have the decal ID number. Now if you want to find the ID number of your own decals, then click on Dashboard in the top navigation, click on Development Items, and then select decals. Then from here, scroll down to see your list of decals, and all you need to do is click on the 3 horizontal dots next to your decal, and then select Copy Asset ID, and now we've copied the ID number of our own decals. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.